it's me, Sophie, and for today's video, we were going to make a clay bag! Yay! So first, let's get a pink color clay, but you can choose any color that you want, okay? But this time, I choose this color pink. So, roll into a big ball shape like this and gently press, okay? Then once you've done, set aside. Then get another clay with a different color. And this time I choose blue. So this is gonna be our bag's head. So mold into a square shape like that. And then place it into our big ball shaped clay. Make sure that it sticks properly, okay? Gently press. And then get a stick. So this is gonna be our engraving tool for the image of our bag's wings. Like that. So gently press into the middle and see, it looks like a wings. And then get another color blue clay, mold into a small ball shapes. So this gonna be our bag's dot and 4 additional color. Alright, make sure that both wings have this blue color of clay, okay? And kids, if you want to watch more of my videos and to be updated on my latest craft, just simply click the subscribe button. And you may also check the description box below for our website, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So we're done now to our bag's dot. Get a different color now of clay, and this one is color black. So this gonna be our bag's eye. So roll a small ball shapes, make 2, okay, and place it into our bag's head. And then for our antenna, get a metal wire or a metal clip. And kids, make sure that you have an adult beside you, okay? It may hard for you to do this. You see? Get a pencil and roll the tip of our metal clip and cut the excess. This. Just make sure that you ask help to your brother, your sister, to your parents, okay? So we have now a spiral tip for our antenna, and then bend the other side like that. So I make 2. Then once you're done, insert the antenna to our bag's body, so that, ta-da! We have now a clay bag. And kids, see you again on my next video. Bye!